Okay, so this is Dr. Allison here at the Wellness Center. We're doing some what's called Auriculo Therapy today, and basically Auriculo Therapy is a Latin word that means ear treatment, and it comes from Chinese medicine, acupuncture, and so forth. But if you look at this diagram, we can treat basically any organ in the body that we want to using the ear. We can also treat any muscle or joint in the body using the ear. So in real life, these two charts would be superimposed, but it's just easier to see this way. So I'm going to work on foot and leg here. So I'm going to use points up in this zone here. And the way it works, I've got a moistened Q-tip, and this has a point finder. When we get on a high-pitched tone there, then you'll hear, then we know we're on the active point, but also know where the point is. So right on the leg, and I'm pushing, there's a little remote button on here that I use to treat. So whenever I push that button, which I am right now, it's actually putting a very gentle low-grade current into the ear. And we're actually, the point of all this is to stimulate the brain to then heal the body parts. So think about the ear almost like a computer keyboard. And if you push the right buttons, you can run the right program and get the computer to do what you want. So just a very gentle stimulation. I'm just moving it to 2 or 3 different various points that I'm wanting to treat for her to help her leg and foot. Last time we did this treatment for her, it helped her quite a bit. Now the front of the ear has to do with sensation. The back of the ear has to do more with movement and motor and muscle and all that. So I'm gonna, in the interest of being thorough, I'm gonna work front and back. And I've been using auricular therapy since the early 80s, back before it was trendy. So of course the Chinese didn't have electrical therapies and things like that thousands of years ago. They had, just mechanical stimulation, whether it's pressure or an acupuncture needle or whatever. But now we've got electro, we've got laser, we have all kinds of things. Okay, so that's what we're doing with using auricular therapy to help patients.